Nokia 9.2 smartphone runs on Android V10Q operating system. The phone is powered by octa-core 2.84 GHz, single-core, Cryo 585 plus 2.42 GHz, tri-core, Cryo 585 plus 1.8 GHz, quad-core, Cryo 585 processor. It runs on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset. It has 8 GB RAM and 128 GB internal storage. Nokia 9.2 smartphone has a OLED display. The screen has a resolution of 1440 by 2560 pixels and 490 pixels per inch pixel density. On camera front, the buyers get a 24MP front camera, and on the rear, there's an 13+13+13+13MP camera with features like digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, touch to focus. It is backed by a 4500 mAh battery. Connectivity features in the smartphone include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, Volta, NFC and more. Nokia 9.2 price in India. Nokia 9.2 smartphone price in India is likely to be 62,990 rupees. Nokia 9.2 is rumored to be launched in the country on February 23, 2020. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.